Canto,
Radio Time, Radio Time, Radio Time. You're listening to Radio Time, Radio Time, Century 29 of Radio Time.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Neil, didn't we, Dylan?
Yeah.
That was a good interview, that wasn't it?
Yeah.
We are back. We got all of our usual features this week, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs and you have to guess which songs they are. We got Oshan's History Corner. We do not know where he'll be taking you yet. No, Oshan?
No.
And also we got Ethan's Garage feature. Well, he'll be talking about trains on this show. What are we going?
Yeah.
And also we got Corey, who'll be playing something for you on the piano. We also got news and sport with Ethan, Max and Peter. And also we got our interview for this week. This week's special guest is Jane, isn't it, Dawn and Usher?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And she does piano around the school on Friday, every Friday. Yeah, Dawn?
Yeah. Start off with Elby John, How to Be Still Dancing.
That's a good song, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
So, yeah, here's Elton John for you here. On
Dancing, dancing, dance night away, dance night away. 1:30, 2:30, dancing, my love. How could we still be dancing after all these
Dancing by Elton John. Now we got the mystery song.
Thank you, Dylan. Now, this is our feature where we play out 5 different songs and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
And on my own 2 feet, who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love.
Song number 2 for this week.
We fill it up with only 2.
Song number 3 for this week.
No say, no place to go.
Song number 4 week.
Hear the blood in my veins, just as black and whispering.
Song number 5 this week.
I just don't want to miss you tonight.
We got the song Presley. Now Dancing in the Dark. Bruce Springsteen.
I get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired, man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey there baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire, you can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Messages keep getting clearer, radio's on and I'm moving round the place. I check my look in the mirror, wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face, and I ain't getting nowhere. I'm just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere, baby, I just know that this. You can't start a fire, you can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. You sit around getting older, there's a joke, here's some wine, it's on me. I shake this world off my shoulders. Come on, baby, the laughs on me. Stay on the streets of this town, and they'll be carving you up alright. You say you gotta stay hungry. Hey, baby, I'm just a fast star tonight. I'm dying for some action. I'm sick of sitting around here trying to write this book. I need a love reaction. Come on, baby, give me just one look. You can't start a fire, sitting around crying over a broken heart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. You can't start a fire, worrying about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. 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 Hey, baby.
This is the history. This is the history. So, last one was Bruce Springsteen, Dancing in the Dark, Bruce Springsteen. Now we got the history about V-Day. The history about V-Day. And here's a video about the history about V-Day. Hope you enjoy it.
This year marks the 80th anniversary of VE Day. But what actually happened on this day back in 1945? VE Day, or Victory in Europe Day, marks the official end of World War II in Europe. On the 8th of May 1945, Nazi Germany unconditionally surrendered to the Allied forces. After nearly 6 years of devastating war, Europe could finally breathe a collective sigh of relief. This wasn't just a military victory. It meant the end of Nazi tyranny, the liberation of millions from concentration camps, and the promise of a new, hopefully peaceful era. Europe was free from Nazi occupation. The news sparked wild celebrations across Europe and the Allied countries. In Britain, a national holiday was declared. People poured into the streets, waving flags, singing and dancing. There were parties, parades and church services. Thousands lined the Mall in central London as members of the royal family and Winston Churchill made numerous appearances outside Buckingham Palace.
Advance Britannia! Long live the cause of freedom! God save the King!
It was a moment of pure joy after so much suffering. While a day of rejoicing, VE Day for many also marked a time to remember the millions of people who'd lost their lives fighting for their country. It's a reminder of the sacrifices made for freedom and the importance of striving for peace. Even today, VE Day is commemorated to honour the brave individuals who fought and sacrificed for a better world. It's a chance to reflect on the past and commit to building a future free from conflict.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know, swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights, ending alone, conversations with a stranger This will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, it's true. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys, where we explain the history of America's railroads via travelling on random trains. We are going from New York Penn to 30th Street Station. And please apologise for my voice, as it's rather a bit groggy after I got back from Blackpool. Starting in New York Penn, take the Amtrak Keystone to 30th Street Station. Now rewind back to 1937 and you're on the Reading Railroad's Crusader train. That's right, the naming of this train was done via a contest to find a name for that train, offering a $250 cash prize equivalent to $5,468 US in 2024. The winner is Mr. P.W. Silzer from Plainfield, New Jersey, with the name for the train being the Crusader. The observation cars, the two coach cars, and the tavern car make up a whole set. And that is done to prevent turnarounds at each station. Now on to locos of note, where I say 5 facts about a locomotive. The locomotives have a 462 wheel arrangement, more commonly called a Pacific. There are 30 built. For context, the road numbers are 105 to 134. They had a distinctive look of having very much fewer external piping on the boiler, which made me think they're almost like a Delaware and Hudson locomotive, but this is the Reading we're talking about. 2 of these engines, numbers 117 and 118, are streamlined for this very Crusader train, and despite the fact that there are no models surviving, Weaver Models produced an unstreamlined version of the G1SAs, completely free of charge, although as of recently, the models are not produced today. Now back to the usuals. But today you're on an Amtrak train, as the service had been rerouted to New York Penn because of the Adeline plan. And the train terminates at Newark Penn Station because diesel locomotives are not permitted to go into New York Penn Station. The service still continues on New Jersey Transit's West Trenton line. At 30th Street Station, go visit some locations, more sites, and remember the train that you took earlier. The double-ended observation car express train. The trip will take 1 hour and 28 minutes and cost £160, or £1.84 in 1937 money. The locus of note answer is the Reading Railroad's G1SA Class 462s, in case you were wondering, that is. Next up we got Corey's feature, but before that, get the Weaver models of the G1SAs on an auctions, although as of recently it had been sold out of 109. Alternatively, get the Lionel or MTH electric trains, variants of the Crusader. MTH is truly to the original, but pretty much it can be pretty cool in the Rail King range, and also can be used in a quite variety of paint schemes, like either Chicago Northwestern or the New Haven. Lionel, on the other hand, use a Lion Chief Pacific and 15-inch cars, so Lionel's more worth of your money if you're pretty much one for the most recent catalogue, 2025 Volume 1. Go back to week 16, because I forgot to mention that when I done.
Thank you, Ethan, for this week's Scarge. We'll be back with you in news around the world very time soon. Now Corey's back here with us this week, and he's going to play you a song with us. Here, take it away, Corey.
This week I'm going to play Chapel Rowan's Pink Pony Club. I hope you enjoy.
the Year.
Developer Woodley.
By Neil Diamond.
Thank you, John. Now we got our music news for this week. Coming with Max.
Yep.
Right, so our year this year, we will tell you later which year we are in. And first of all, this year, around about July, we have the Live Aid concert, and that takes place in Wembley Stadium. And we hope everybody has a good time in Live Aid, yeah, boys?
Yeah.
Yep.
And also it's in JPK Stadium in Philadelphia, USA as well. And if you're going, the first song you'll be hearing is Queen's Radio Gaga, yeah, boys? The song that opened up Live Aid this year.
Yeah. So this year, Tears of Fears released the single Everyone Through the World.
Also, and in the future, this song would sell 5 million copies by Big Chair. And yes, and also Dire Straits also released their 5th studio album, Brothers in Arms. This album becomes the first successful album by Dire Straits, and it becomes the first successful album sold loads of copies on CD. That is a lot of copies, isn't it? And Don, Max and Peter. Isn't it, boys?
Yep.
Right then, so we got Don here now, and he's going to say his next song. What's the next song, Don?
Not a New Road by Tom Jones.
And we'll see you later for our music news answers with the mystery song answers, won't we, boys?
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you wanna do. Why can't this crazy love be more? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Oh, 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 oh,
The song was Not Unusual by Tom Jones. Now we've got the news on the school. First one for this week is Canal Dai, what Eddie Bod and Swivanis and Sadler Calvacraft. Edir, da iawn chi, well done you, Canal Dai, I would say. I went to Gwyl Void Caernarfon on Saturday. Probably everyone else probably following me around called Rosie, probably. And there's a lot of people. Mrs. Greaves gone to the Gwyl Caernarfon, apparently. I hope everyone enjoyed in Gwyl Caernarfon, whoever going in there. Number 3, Cynna Pimp. Well done. Come third in overall, all in Cynna Pimp. Well done. All well in Wales with 13 design for Eisteddfod. Well done, Cynna Pimp. Well done. Well done. Number 4, well, Ethan Kent 3 went to Blackpool.
Didn't he, Ethan?
Yeah.
Now, how was it, Mr. Blackpool himself?
Kind of great.
Although the Blackpool Tower dungeon really did make me try to get scared the living light out of me and nearly scare me out the skin.
Wow, that sounds like so fun. Now, Kane's Tree are selling kebabs on Friday.
62, I've heard it.
Yeah, they sold 62 kebabs in one whole week. Wow, that was really
Do you
good.
think we could do 100 kebabs in a week in the future?
Oh, I probably think, Dion. Well done for telling me that. Very good. Now, I hope you enjoy this news on the school, and everyone, well done, or enjoy yourself eating the kebabs, because I'm definitely gonna. Won't we, boys?
Yeah, won't we?
Yeah, won't be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'll see you next week in week 30 for news around the school. So, goodbye from now. And the next song is gonna be Ireland Amor by Ellen Flair. I hope you enjoy that song, Ireland Amor by Ellen Flair, it is. So, I'll see you next week, like I said, and hope you enjoy Ireland Amor by Ellen Flair. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week.
Ireland Amor, mar hosis cochion. Ireland Amor, my lilies guanyon. Ireland Amor, mang hariadina. Gysgir nos a chodir ora. Ireland Amor, my care gwastad. Lle bim yn siarad gair anghariad o amgylchon fe dydd y lili ac am bell gangen o rosemary. My cerrig leison, Ireland Amor, my blodau meibion. Ireland Amor, my pobre widow. Ireland Amor, ang hariadina.
Thank you, Dawn. Now we got our music news answers. And this year we were in... What year, Dawn?
1985.
That is a good year for music, isn't it, Max and Peter? Isn't it? And now we got our mystery song answers for this week. So our 60s song for this week was Max. Our 60s song was All Shook Up by Elvis Presley. Thank you, Max. And our 70s song for this week was Gone.
Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond.
And our 80s song was Peter. Our 80 song was Somewhere in My Heart by Aztec Camera, and our 90 song was Streets of Philadelphia by Bruce Springsteen, and our naughty song gone.
Iris by Google Call.
Thank you, boys, for coming in for the mystery song answers this week. Thank you, Peter, for saying our 80 song. And now we got Oshan here now, and he's going to tell you who won the leaderboard for this week. Well, let's find out, shall we go on, Max, Peter?
Yeah.
See who won the leaderboard.
So, I hope all of you had a great week in school. Now we got the leaderboard. This week was, if you know, games, local quiz, like board games. So, I hope you're enjoying doing the board game logo quiz. It sounds fun, isn't it, boys?
Oh, yes, it is, isn't it, Oshan? Isn't it, Don?
Yeah, it is. Very good.
Yeah, very good.
Very good, boys. So you're probably wondering who's the winners for this week. Well, the loser for this week was Mr. T. He's not even trying. He got 5 out of 20. Number 8 for this week was Can Have Die. Got 11 out of 20. Congratulations, well done you. Number 7 for this week is Caroline. They got 13 out of 20. Also, number 6 for this week is Cunner Trooper. They got 14 out of 20. Now, number 5 for this week is Can't Die. Got 15 out of 20. Well done you. Number 4 for this week is Conrav Pib. Got 16 out of 20. Well done. Now, the 3 was Kev. Got 17 out of 20. Also, let's just go all the way down. Shoiva got 17 out of 20. Well done, everyone in Shoiva. Well done. So also, second for this week is well done. You're always in the top 3. Well done. Canal Die got 18 out of 20. Also, Dwinwen got 18 out of 20. Well done, you. Now, the winner for this week is, everyone want to know who's the winner of this week? Well, I'll tell you, won't I? So, Kane got 20 out of 20. Well, I call that a full house. So, well done, Kane for this week. And I hope you enjoyed the local quiz. So, the next song for this week is Am I Heard by Davy V1. Hope you enjoy it. So, it's Am I Heard by Davy V1. And I'll see you next week in week 32. Goodbye for now.
Does neb yn nabod o Mae 1,600 o flynyddoedd Yn amser hir i'r co Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru Yn y flwyddyn 303 Yn gadair yn gennym gofal A heddiw Cwmpas Good morning. Kate Bellamy has 2-1 Wales. I'm not all here, you sons of speed.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. Firstly, a duck has been caught speeding in Switzerland at the same zone, at the same speed limit, at the same day. It happened earlier in 2018, and that duck has been dubbed a repeating offender, and they haven't even bothered to catch it. Secondly, a Filipino volcano has erupted, and this time it was caught on thermal cameras. Wow, that's some pretty cool stuff. Although a 4-mile radius away from the volcano is pretty much, although there's nothing much to say about it. Thirdly, Mark Carney shows off the new cabinet team for Canada. This was surely made Trump's administration to the punch. Now we got Max and Peter with the sports updates.
Hello, I'm Keegan. This about this come back my so this is stuff news on this week's studios have on comedy games. So after with the talking on Friday and with this Saturday on Saturday. So we have a basketball game or Singapore versus Dutch. So we have a mission player. So the first like a D, the second like a J. In the rugby Wario Cup, I'm talking with the Nuggy who to win in the bio. So here's your mission for the button this is the first like a D and a second like the J. Here's yours is Daniel J. So in the soccer commission, the shows it with the top of soccer football there. We got Aston Villa player. Well, it is but very good player. So it's only watching. It's also the Sunday G Vikings race goal was currently in the current game. Aston Villa. So that's it stuff new. So now the talking like to me Peter, the talking like a cameraman match.
my own winners.
Thank you, Dylan. Now we are moving on to our interview for this week. And this week is also pre-recorded. We're going to be interviewing Jane. We hope you enjoy this interview.
Getting to know all about you.
Okay, so you're listening to Radio Kybe, and now we have another special interview for you this week. This week we'll be interviewing Jane, who teaches piano around the school. Hello Jane, how are you this afternoon?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you, Awesome?
Alright, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Okay, so the first question we've got here for you today is, how long have you been teaching piano?
Oh, very long time. 20 years.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a long time ago, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old were you when you got the first month?
I was very young when I started playing on a toy drum,
Yeah.
probably about 2 or 3. But then I didn't start having lessons and getting an instrument until I was in school, so probably about 8 or 9.
Oh.
Wow. Which instruments can you play?
I can play the piano, and I can play the harp, and the violin,
Yeah.
and the flute, and the oboe, and the clarinet, and the saxophone, and the bassoon.
That's a lot of instruments, isn't it, boys?
Yes, it is.
Cwestiwn 5 I chi fyma. Pedwar, be ydych chi licio neud o blaw am cerdd?
Dwi'n hoffi cerdded, mynd am dro, mynd ar lan y môr. Dwi hefyd yn coachio gymnastig
Yeah.
ac hoffi redeg.
Good, yeah, boys.
Yes.
Faint mo hi gach chi cyfwad a lle ydych chi licio mynd i redog?
Dwi'n hoffi redeg lle dwi'n byw, so yn y mynyddoedd,
Yeah.
neu ar lan y môr, a dwi wedi lwyddo redeg 10 km erbyn rwan,
Wow.
ond nes i cychwyn wrth wneud y couch to 5k.
Oh,
Wow.
that is a lot, isn't it, Dawn and Awesome?
Yeah,
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You were born.
I was born in London and I went to school in London.
Wow. London's quite far away from here, isn't it,
Yeah,
Awesome?
it is, yeah.
You've been to London, haven't you?
Yes, a millions of times.
Yeah.
Yes.
What did you do in London and Awesome?
I gone to see Shrek, the museum, and the Buckingham Palace.
Nice, yeah.
And a lot more stuff, yeah.
Yeah. London is a good place, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
Have you been there, Dion?
No.
Have
What about you,
been there?
Dawn?
No.
You want to go?
One day.
Yeah.
Would you want to go, Dawn? I've heard that you saw Jane in London. Can you tell us more?
It was a very long time ago,
Yes.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
We were in
Yes.
the Millennium Centre,
Yes.
the Dome.
The dome, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I think Oshan had been to some Lego exhibition.
That one,
Ah.
Pa gredif ych chi wedi bod ar y gwyliau chi?
Yn diweddar, dwi wedi bod i Lanzarote,
Yeah.
ond dwi wedi bod i Ffrainc ac yr Eidal ac yr Almaen, ac hefyd dwi wedi teithio i Australia ac Singapore, Malaysia a Thailand.
Wow. That's a lot of places, isn't it, Awesome?
Oh, yes.
You've been to some of them places, haven't you?
Yes, I did.
You've been to Italy, yeah?
Yes. And I've been to France.
Yeah.
I don't know that, do you?
Well, and you've been to Poland, haven't you, recently?
Yeah, yeah.
And so, beth ydy'ch hoff bwyd chi?
Wel, bwyd caffi y draig ydy o hoff bwyd yn y byd, ond heblaw am hynny, dwi'n hoffi bwyd Tsieineaidd.
Nice, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you tell us a bit more, please?
So, mae fy mam yn dod o cefnder Tsieineaidd, felly mae hi'n coginio lot o bwyd Tsieineaidd, so hwn ydy y bwyd gorau.
Wow.
What is your favourite music and band?
I don't have a particular favourite, but I like all types of music. So I listen to classical music, I listen to pop music, rock music, and I love musicals.
Wow.
What is your favourite restaurant meal?
I like a special Chinese meal called dim sum,
Yeah.
and the best place to have that is in Chinatown.
Nice.
Nice.
Right. In which Chinatown?
I've had it in Liverpool and in London.
Yeah. There's a Chinatown in Manchester as well, eh?
Yes, it is.
In the Trafford Centre.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Yes, I have. Have you been gone?
No.
What about you, Russell?
Oh, yes.
It's good, yeah?
Yes.
Question 10 here for you is, can you speak a bit of Chinese?
I can speak a little bit of Chinese. I can count to 10.
Yeah?
So, ya, yi, sam, say, look, chat, bat, gausa. And I can say different foods.
Wow. What about you, Roshan? Can you speak Chinese or any other language?
No.
What about you, Don?
No.
But I can speak another language.
Right, it's Welsh, yeah?
Yes. And English.
Yeah, same here. So, can you teach us how to count in Chinese, please?
Yeah, we'll have a go at 1, 2, 3. So, ya,
Yeah.
yi,
Yi.
sam.
Some.
Ya, yi, sam.
Yeah, some. Can you say that?
Yes, some.
Can you say that, Don?
Yeah, lamb.
Okay, so question 11 here for you is, which song do you want to end the show off with today?
Oh, let's end the show with Thank You for the Music.
Is that one by ABBA?
It is.
Yeah. Okay, so we are going to finish off the show with Thank You for the Music by ABBA here on Radio Kite. And we'll be back with week 30. So it's bye from me, Gil.
Goodbye.
Bye.
And thank you, Jane, for coming on our show this week.
Bye.
And we'll see you next week. Take care for now.
I'm nothing special. In fact, I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you've probably heard it before. But I have a talent, a wonderful thing, 'cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Mother says I was a dancer before I could walk. She says I began to sing long before I could talk. And I've often wondered, how did it all start? Who found that nothing can capture a heart like a melody can? Well, whoever it was, I'm a fan. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. I've been so lucky. I am the girl with golden hair. I wanna sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a chance. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Caib, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية Radio Caib.
Radio Caib.